us when it comes. Thank you very much. Before I leave, somebody said something about conditional love? I'll bet you. Okay, I got unconditional love for you all, so here I am. You Kingston! Give respect. Respect goes out to the south. Once again, you never see it coming. And the next thing you know, unconditional love. Unconditional love. So you're looking for a devil. And waiting for a God. I need to love. Unconditional love. Whoa. First of January, still you're starting over. Your heart's been reason, making a new beginning. And it's been 6 months since you got sober. Making a new position, making a decision. And you enter the heart and stop. Forgot what you in for. Just as soon as it says hello, hello. The next thing you know, unconditional love. Just somebody to love. Say you're looking for a devil. Waiting for a God. Somebody to love. The 14th of February, got a cold shoulder. Someone unexpected. Let down unprotected. When you beat the gentleman, fighting like a soldier. People will call you home. You act like nobody knows. She head to the diamond store. Forgot what they know. Just as soon as she said hello. You can stop. Unconditional love. Just somebody to love. Say you're looking for a devil. Let's talk about New Kingston.
Hi everybody. Thank you so much. You've been a fabulous crowd. Let's hear it again for Jackie Orr one more time. Great performance. Thank you, Jackie Orr. And we have one more surprise because we have a very very beautiful Christmas cake. Now this is the first Christmas cake of the season. I want